This 2025 KZ Connect SE 211MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 26 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, slide-out, oven, auxiliary battery, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, stovetop burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 KZ Connect SE 211MK is 5,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.